Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to get verified on Instagram. So first thing is you open the Instagram application and then get logged into the account of yours. Instagram verification is the process of getting a blue check mark badge that tells that other user on the platform that an account really belongs to your user, artist, band or organization that it represents. So for you to get a verified on Instagram, there are few steps how you can do it. So first thing is you need to go to the Instagram profile, tap on profile on the bottom right. Then you need to tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right. From there you tap on setting and privacy. Now once you're at the setting and privacy, you tap on the search bar and there you need to type in request verification. You can see the option on the bottom, you tap that. For the verification process, you need to fill in the form first. First thing is you provide your confirm authenticity, that is your username. Then provide your full name. Then you need to choose a document file. You need to provide a verification for your account. Choose that file and then tap on add file and upload or take a photo of that document and upload it. Then confirm notability. So here on the confirm notability, you need to tap on category and select the category which represents you or your brand. Then you need to choose a country or region. Then if you have a audience who follow your account, include who they are and what they are interested in and why they follow you. You can also choose the option also known as, this is an option where you can list all the name of the person or organization your account represent is known by, including different name and the same name in other language. Now in the bottom you will have the link option. Here you can add articles, social media account and other links that show your account is in public interest and paid or promotional account won't be considered for this link. Once all that is done, you need to tap on submit. This will submit the form that you have just filled in. Once you submit it, the Instagram team review your application and you will receive a response in your notification tab. So this is a one way how you can get verified on Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.